In this quick tutorial video, let me show you the way that you access the AOL Mail. If you also have an account of AOL Mail and you want to access it, let me show you how it is done. Now, if you're using a desktop or a laptop as well, you can simply open up a web browser and search for AOL Mail. If you're not using a desktop or a laptop, you can use or access the AOL Mail using the application. For this video, let's use the website. If you click on this first link, you'll be straight away taken to its website. Now, because I have already logged in, it is showing me the interface straight away. If you are not logged in, you will see this sign in box where you'll need to type in your username, your email address or your phone number that is linked with your AOL account. If you don't yet have an account, you can also create one by clicking on create an account. So type in your credentials of your account and then click on next. If you want to stay signed in, make sure you check this box and then click on next. In the next step, you'll need to add in your password. If you don't remember the password of your account, click on the forgotten password link. This way it will allow you to reset your password and then create a new one. If you do remember your password, type it in and then click on next. So that was a short video on the way that you log in or access your account of AOL Mail. If this guide video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe and also make sure to give this video a thumbs up. That's gonna be all for this one. I'll see you in the next video.